Welcome friends on my YouTube channel. I am Pooja Rikhi. Today we will discuss algebraic expressions. Do you know what are expressions? Here I am not talking about facial expressions. In mathematics, expressions are of two types. First one is numerical expression, another is algebraic expression. Firstly, we will discuss numerical expressions. It contains only numbers along with at least one operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here you can see the examples of numerical expressions. Now, algebraic expressions. It contains variables and numbers along with operations. It is also known as variable expression. Here are few examples of algebraic expressions. Now we will discuss parts of algebraic expression, that are variables, constants, coefficients and terms. Now we all know there are 26 alphabets in English language such as A, B, C up to X, Y and Z. We often use these letters in mathematics. When we use these letters in mathematics, then they are called variables. I will repeat, when the alphabets of English language used in mathematics, then they are called variables. In another way, we can say a symbol used for an unknown number is called variable. It can take any numerical value. Here you can see algebraic expression which has variables x, p and y. Now we will discuss constant. It is a fixed value in an expression which does not change. Here you can see an example of algebraic expression where x is a variable and number 9 is called a constant. Now we will discuss terms. A term is the name given to a number, a variable, a number and variable combined by multiplication or division. Or another way we can say a number, a variable or product of numbers and variables are called terms. Now we will learn how can we identify the terms. If I write a number 5, that is a single term. If I write 5 plus x, it means there are two terms in it. If I write 5 plus a minus b, it means there are three terms in this algebraic expression. If I write 5x, it means that is also a single term. If I write 5 divided by x, that is also a one term. So we can see addition and subtraction separate the terms. So we have to remember one thing, addition and subtraction separate the terms. In another way we can say plus and minus separate the terms and multiplication and division do not. Now what is a coefficient? A number in front of a variable or term is called coefficient. Here 6 is a coefficient of A and 1 is a coefficient of B. Here is example. X is a variable, 6 is a coefficient of x. Here minus 9 is a coefficient of xy. Here you can see the parts of algebraic expressions. Here are few examples of algebraic expression from where we can easily identify the variables, constants and coefficients. I hope you understand the video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.